Now, I want to talk about some standards that radiographers are actually supposed to adhere to, okay, so as to make the practice very much more respected. So, these are the radiography practice standards. This is more of like the ethics, the minimum behavior that we expect from what every radiographer in the world. So we said that they are basically formal guidelines and they define the professional responsibilities, the scope of practice, the ethics to ensure that radiographers are safe out there and their work is effective and they are able to take care of patients very well. Okay, so these rules have been put up by big associations in the world that basically practice a particular, branch of medicine for a very long time. Okay, so some of the components include the scope of practice. So this one defines that radiographers are legally and professionally permitted to do. Okay, like what is there actually defines that. So you're trying to look at how to position the patient, how to take images, how to make sure that the radiation is not channeled all through the body of the patient but just to the side which you need to image, how to protect the patient from too much radiations and all of that. So clinical performance standards, you have the outlines of what is expected for patient assessment, how the communication should go, like how documentation should go, and delivery of image services. Quality and safety, they are trying to let radiographers know here that if you want to image, it's not all about putting too much radiation, but you just need the at least the least radiation that could actually give you the best image. So ethical conduct, how this one covers how radiographers will actually put the patient first, the dignity, respecting the patient and all of that. Then professional growth, it lists out all the possible qualifications I could get on a radiography, and how you can be able to keep improving. So the different organizations that actually what state these rules include the ASRT, which is what American Society of Radiologic Technologists. We also have the HCPC, which is the Health and Care Profession Council in the UK. Then so they are the ones that actually always publish these laws out. So the ASRT covers what the clinical, technical, and professional performance standards. The HCPC covers the standards for proficiency. Then the ACR, which is the American College of Radiology, publishes what practice parameters and technical standards. Okay, so basically this helps to control, how will I put it, it sets up a control. So if you're in a particular field, you don't just go acting anyhow out of your will, but they are set down rules that at least you must actually follow if you want to actually be a professional radiographer.